What if we told you that some used SUVs can outlast hundreds of thousands of miles and barely cost you a thing in repairs? Sounds impossible, right? These machines are built to withstand time, all while keeping your maintenance budget shockingly low. Whether it's luxury or rugged durability you're after, this list has something for everyone. Number 10, Ford Escape 2017-2020. The Ford Escape is a versatile compact SUV offering a range of features at an affordable price. A used model from 2017-2020 typically costs between $13,000 and $20,000, depending on the condition and mileage. It's powered by a 1.5L EcoBoost engine, producing 179 horsepower, with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. Its fuel efficiency averages 24 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. The interior provides comfortable seating for 5, with user-friendly tech like an 8-inch infotainment screen and optional advanced safety features such as lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Externally, the Escape features a modern, aerodynamic design with LED lighting, a bold grille, and well-sculpted body lines. What makes it reliable is its proven ability to last well over 150,000 miles with routine maintenance, paired with relatively low repair costs. Additionally, its high safety ratings boost confidence among buyers. But could the next SUV outperform the Escape in reliability and comfort? Number 9. Nissan Rogue 2017-2020. A used Nissan Rogue from 2017-2020 offers reliability and affordability with prices ranging from $14,000 to $22,000. Powered by a 2.5L four-cylinder engine that delivers a 170 horsepower, it achieves a combined fuel economy of 27 mpg, making it an excellent option for commuters. Inside, the Rogue offers spacious seating for 5 with premium materials, a user-friendly 7-inch infotainment system, and generous cargo space. The Rogue is also packed with safety features, including automatic emergency braking and rear cross-traffic alert. Its exterior is both stylish and functional, with aerodynamic lines and available all-wheel drive, enhancing performance in various road conditions. Reliability is one of the Rogue's key selling points, often lasting over 200,000 miles with low repair costs. Number 8. Toyota Highlander 2016-2020. The Toyota Highlander is a highly reliable midsize SUV with used models from 2016 to 2020, typically priced between $22,000 and $30,000. It's powered by a powerful 3.5L V6 engine producing 295 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. With a fuel economy of 20 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway, the Highlander balances power with efficiency. The interior offers 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, featuring soft-touch materials, an intuitive 8-inch touchscreen, and advanced safety features like pre-collision warning. The exterior boasts a sleek design with a bold front grille, sculpted lines, and available LED headlights. Known for its reliability, the Highlander can easily surpass 200,000 miles with routine maintenance, and it consistently ranks among the top SUVs for low maintenance costs and high resale value. Number 7. Subaru Forester 2017-2020. The Subaru Forester stands out as a reliable, all-weather compact SUV. A used model from 2017 to 2020 is priced between $18,000 and $26,000. Powered by a 2.5L four-cylinder engine with 182 horsepower, it delivers a balanced fuel economy of 26 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. The Forester's symmetrical all-wheel drive, a standard feature, makes it ideal for varied terrains and weather conditions. Inside, it offers spacious seating for advanced safety features like EyeSight driver assist and an 8-inch infotainment display. The exterior boasts a rugged design with roof rails and a high ground clearance. What makes the Forester especially reliable is its track record for lasting over 200,000 miles with low repair costs. It's also a favorite among adventure seekers for its durability. Do you think the next SUV will be as versatile and rugged as the Forester? Number 6. Hyundai Tucson 2016-2020. The Hyundai Tucson is a budget-friendly, compact SUV with impressive reliability. A used 2016-2020 Tucson typically costs between $14,000 and $21,000, making it a great option for those seeking affordability. It's powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine generating 164 horsepower, with fuel efficiency at 23 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. Inside, the Tucson offers a well-designed cabin, user-friendly technology with a 7-inch touchscreen, and enough space for 5 passengers. Safety features include blind spot monitoring and lane keeping assist. On the outside, the Tucson sports a sleek, modern look with LED lighting and bold body lines. Known for its longevity and low maintenance costs, the Tucson is a popular choice for those who want dependable performance at an affordable price. Next, are you ready to find another SUV that delivers both luxury and reliability? Number 5. Kia Sportage 2017-2020. The Kia Sportage is a reliable compact SUV that offers both style and performance. A used model from 2017-2020 ranges between $15,000 and $23,000. The 2.4L four-cylinder engine provides 181 horsepower, while the optional 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers a punchier 240 horsepower. The Sportage maintains an impressive fuel economy of around 23 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. Inside, it offers a well-built cabin with premium materials, comfortable seating for 5, and an intuitive 8-inch infotainment system. Safety features include forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking. The Sportage's modern design with a bold front grille and sleek headlights adds to its appeal. Known for its long-term durability, the Kia Sportage is a favorite for families looking for style and reliability. Number 4. Mazda CX-5 2017-2020. The Mazda CX-5 is an excellent blend of reliability and sportiness, with used models from 2017-20 priced between $18,000 and $26,000. Powered by a 2.5L four-cylinder engine that produces 187 horsepower, it offers a responsive driving experience and fuel efficiency of 24 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the highway. The interior is refined, featuring premium materials, comfortable seating for 5, and a modern 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It also includes advanced safety technologies such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. On the exterior, the CX-5 boasts a stylish and athletic design with sharp lines and an aggressive front grille. The CX-5's reliability is well documented, with low maintenance costs and a reputation for lasting well beyond 150,000 miles. Ready for our top 3? Number 3. Lexus RX 2016-2020. When it comes to luxury and reliability, the Lexus RX is a true standout. Priced between $25,000 and $35,000 for models from 2016 to 2020, the RX delivers both refinement and peace of mind. Powered by a smooth 3.5L V6 engine that produces 295 horsepower, this SUV combines luxury with power, effortlessly gliding on the road while maintaining an impressive fuel economy of around 20 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway. The interior of the Lexus RX is where it truly shines. You're greeted by soft leather seats, wood trim, and an ultra-quiet cabin that feels like you're driving in a sanctuary. With seating for 5 and a spacious cargo area, this SUV is perfect for both city commutes and family road trips. The exterior doesn't disappoint either, with its sharp, bold design, featuring the signature Lexus spindle grille and sleek LED lighting. Reliability? The Lexus RX is legendary for it. Known to easily surpass 250,000 miles with routine maintenance, this SUV is built to last. Low maintenance costs for a luxury SUV, coupled with Toyota's renowned reliability, make the RX a smart investment. Think the Lexus RX sets the bar high? Wait until you hear about the next contender. Number 2. Honda CR-V 2016-20. The Honda CR-V is the SUV that blends practicality with longevity, a true icon of reliability. Used models from 2016 to 20 typically range from $18,000 to $27,000, making it an affordable yet top-performing option in the compact SUV market. Equipped with a turbocharged 1.5L four-cylinder engine producing 190 horsepower, the CR-V strikes a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency, boasting an outstanding 28 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway. Inside, you'll find a roomy, well-designed cabin with seating for 5, an advanced infotainment system, and numerous safety features like collision mitigation and lane keeping assist. The CR-V is often praised for its generous cargo space, offering up to 75.8 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down, perfect for family vacations or hauling large loads. The exterior is modern yet practical, with sculpted lines and an aerodynamic shape that adds to its fuel efficiency. When it comes to reliability, Honda has you covered. The CR-V is known for lasting well over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Its low cost of ownership, affordable parts, and excellent resale value make it a solid choice for any buyer looking for long-term peace of mind. Ready to meet the ultimate champion in the reliability game? Number 1. Toyota RAV4 2016-2020. Here it is, the Toyota RAV4, the undisputed king of reliability in the SUV world. If you're looking for an SUV that delivers on all fronts, from dependability to affordability, this is it. A used Toyota RAV4 from 2016-2020 will cost you between $20,000 and $30,000, and every penny spent on this SUV is an investment in the long haul. With a 2.5L four-cylinder engine that produces 176 horsepower, it's the perfect mix of power and fuel economy, offering 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Step inside and you'll find a spacious, well-built cabin that can comfortably seat 5 passengers, with tech features like a 7-inch infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking. The RAV4's exterior sports a rugged yet refined look, making it equally at home in the city or on off-road adventures. The best part? Toyota's renowned reliability. The RAV4 is known for surpassing 250,000 miles with ease. Its low maintenance costs, high resale value, and bulletproof reliability have earned it a top spot in the hearts of SUV buyers everywhere. Which of these SUVs would you trust to go the distance without burning a hole in your wallet? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown of the most reliable used SUVs, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive into more cars that offer unbeatable value.